So once you start working with Magic Design, you'll be able to create design requests in your personal Magic Design dashboard. And as you can see, this is my personal dashboard. It says Welcome Maria, and I can click on the top right to create a new design request for my designer. So yeah, if you click create request, you can choose your design package, click next, and then write the design brief, right? And today what I want to show you is an example blog post design brief that I wrote, just so that you can have a reference or an example to look at, which can be quite helpful. So as you can see here in the description part, I wrote down the type of request, which is blog graphic, and I described what designs basically I need. In this case, it was blog post images and the blog post cover for a guest blog post that I wrote. And I explained a little bit what the blog post is, for which blog, links to the blog. I also drafted some rough examples as a starting point of the designs for what designs I need and what I'm imagining for those images. Also, I said where the blog post will be published. I added a link to an example blog post for my designer to use as a reference for just the visual, so that it's coherent with the blog's appearance. And also I selected the dimensions of the graphics that I need, so blog post images in this size and blog post cover image in this size. And I also added some inspiration files to Figma, so some drafts like I mentioned here above. And I also recorded a very short Loom explaining this whole task just in a bit more detail, where I also showed my Figma file that I prepared. So basically I just drafted some images here. They are very rough, this doesn't look like very professional, so I really wanted the designer in this case to just polish the designs and make them look on brand. So this is an example blog post image that I had created myself, and this is what the designer has made, which is already much better and much more visually appealing than what I had. Or for example, this one, it's a very minor change, but you can tell that it's so much better than what I had here. Even though I have minor design experience, I still very much struggle with seeing the visual hierarchy, or also just making something look appealing to the eye. So I was just very grateful that our designers hopped on to help me out with this design task. So this is another example. I wanted to include some example icons, and ideally they would be Magic Design icons. And I explained all that in the Loom video I recorded to the designers. But also, this is the outcome, and it looks already so much better than what I had. So using our icons and not just random icons from the internet. So yeah, this is an example blog post brief that I wrote, and if you're a subscriber of Magic Design, you can do the same. You can upload briefs for different tasks, blog post images, landing page designs, app designs, flyer designs, print designs, banner designs. So I hope this helps you get a better understanding of how submitting a design draft looks like and how you can do it too. Bye.